Hi everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome back to science class. In the last session, already we have discussed some important concepts related to light. Today, let us learn some more very important concept, that is the human eye, right? The students, we have a five sense organs, right? Among them, eye is the most important sense organs in the human body, because we have to see it's a wonderful, beautiful surrounding because of eyes. So we must should learn and study about the eye, how it works, and what is the internal structure of the eye. So let us study one by one. Firstly, I want to say this is the structure of the human eye. Before going to this, as you know, we have to see many more objects in our surroundings, right? So first, the naturally the light is falls on the object. There is a reflection takes place. After the reflection, the reflected ray is falls on our eye. Then only we can see the object. Already we discussed this point in the last session, right? So once again I recall that point. So eye, the eye is a very essential organ, sense organ to see the wonderful world, right? So here, first I want to say the important parts of the eye. See, ciliary muscles. The human body is made up of complete muscles. Most of the muscles, blood, bones are there. Next is the lens, cornea, iris, pupil, retina, and optic nerve. Still some more important sensitive parts are there. So we discuss in the next session. So now let us discuss one by one of the eye. First, the main thing is cornea. It's a transparent part of the eye. Cornea is the main transparent of the eye. Most of the light is enters through the cornea. Most of the light is enters through the cornea. So that's why I said it is a transparent material of the eye. Right? The students, most of the refraction of light is controlled by the retina only. So main is what? Cornea. Right? Next, after the cornea, just behind the cornea, there is a dark colored structures are there. They are called as the what? Iris. There is a dark colored structures are appeared behind the cornea or in between the cornea and the lens. They are called as iris. So iris are also very important role. They have a very important role. Why? Because iris have a small openings called as pupil. Iris have a small opening called as pupil. So here the pupil, the length of the or the size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. And also iris is very useful. Why? Because iris can control the most of the light enters into the cornea. Most of the light is enters into the cornea. And also the iris is very responsible for it has a distinctive colors. The iris has a distinctive colors. So distinctive color means sometimes you may have experienced the person have a green eyes. Means in the sense the change of the it has a distinctive colors. It has different colors. That's why the sometimes the total eye become what? Green in color. It is the main effect of what? The iris. And one more very important is the lens. Lens. What is the lens? Already you may have learned some basic concept about the lens. So lens is a transparent material bounded by two surfaces, right? At least one is curved outward or the inward, or both also curved. Here in the eye, the convex lens is used, right? Convex lens is used. This is thicker in the middle and the thinner at the edges. So as you know already, convex lens is a converging lens. Means what? It has the capacity to converge all the light rays on the screen. It converges. The different light rays are coming from the different direction. They converge and join all the light rays at a point. That's the main work of the lens, right? And next, one more important is that is retina. Here, what is retina? Retina is nothing but like a screen. It's a very important screen because of what? The image is completely formed on the retina. That's why retina is a very important. And when image is formed, when the light ray is falls on the convex lens, after the refraction, the refracted ray is falls on a retina, means sensitive part of the eye called as retina. After the refraction, the refracted rays are meet at a point, then only we can get the image. So image is formed on the retina itself. So this is the very important part in the human eye, right? And then after, the retina contains two important cells. It is cones and rods. Students, this is the main important part of the eye, that is the retina. The retina contains what? The sensitive cells like cones and rods. Actually, rods are more than the cones. Number of rods are more than the cones. Especially, the one thing is here, rods. The cones which are express the sensitive light, and one more is rods are dim light, right? So here one thing, the sensitive cells can sense the image or sense the message sent to the brain through the optic nerves. This is the main important process in the case of retina on the eye. Remaining concept we will discuss in the next class.